Hey everyone, Idris here. Okay, tell me honestly, have you ever gotten that annoying notification from Google Photos saying storage almost full? Yeah, it is like Google reminding us every day that 15GB is not just enough. That's like Google giving you a small plate at an all-you-can-eat buffet and then charging you extra for a bigger one. And remember that 15GB is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, WhatsApp linked backup, and yes, Google Photos too. So your emails, attachments, videos, photos, everything eats into the same space. Now, upgrading to Google One sounds easy, but let's be real. Why pay monthly for storage if there are some smarter ways to manage it? Because let's be honest, that money could go to Netflix or your next shawarma or coffee date, depending on where you are. In today's video, I will show you how to increase your Google Photos storage for free using simple, safe methods that actually would gonna work in 2030s. Stick with me till the end because I am not just sharing one method. I am going to walk you through multiple strategies from account tricks to smart settings so you will never run out of space again. And by the way, if you don't have a PC or laptop, you can do all of these steps right from your Android phone or iPhone. So if you never delete emails, or if your drive is full of document, that directly reduces your photos storage too. Now why does storage runs out so quickly in photos? Because by default, most of us upload everything in original quality. That means high resolution, full size files. A single video or even a bunch of selfies can eat up gigabytes before you even realize it. Especially those 200 birthday videos your uncle sends on WhatsApp, HD from 5 different camera angles. Step 1. The extra accounts and album sharing trick. Now let's get to the real trick. Just like in Google Drive, each Google account comes with 15GB free. That means if you create 4 accounts, you have 60GB. If you create 10 accounts, you have 150GB. Here is the fun part. You don't even have to juggle between accounts to look at your photos. Just upload your pictures into the extra account, then share those albums back to your main account. All the photos and videos are live in your main account's Photos app. Searchable, editable, ready to use. But the actual storage is being eaten up in those extra Google accounts. Here is how you do it step by step. Step 1. The extra accounts and album sharing trick. So first, log into your primary and extra Google account. So here I am performing this task from my primary account to my extra Google account, which I have logged into my phone. Now as you can see, my primary account is completely full. Now let me switch over to my second Google account. This one is so empty, it is like it hasn't been even touched. No storage problems at all, plenty of space to breathe. Alright, back to our main account and let's start breaking those limit walls with our very first awesome trick. Click on the notification icon at the top. You will see the first option here. Share your files with friends, family, or as many extra Google accounts as you want to clean up your main account. Click on album. Give it a title. Now select your photos and videos to transfer. You can choose everything or just be selective. Personally, I like to keep the important stuff on my main account for easy and quick access and move the extras I don't really use often. After selecting, click on add. You will see the chosen files received here. Hit the blue check icon. At the bottom, you will spot a little share button. Click it. By clicking get link, you could create and share this album with anyone. But no, we are going for the smarter option. Hit the 3 more icon and invite this album to your extra account. At the top, type in your second email address. I am choosing my second account here. And then click send. The invitation is sent from your main account. After a few seconds, you will see in the members section that both owner and secondary account are listed here. And hey, if you made a mistake, no worries, you can remove or block them anytime. Now let's jump into our second account, hit the notification bell, and there it is, an album shared from my primary account. If it looks suspicious, you can report or block. But since it is from us, let's open it up. Here you will see the full album we just shared. Save it and done. Those photos are now backed up to this account with zero quality loss. Once that is done, you can head to the home page of Google Photos and yep, all photos are there. Open one and you can still edit, use all the features, even download it straight to your device. Pretty cool, right? You can do this with your other extra Google accounts and access all of them at one sharing place. Now let's check storage on this extra account. You will notice here 1 GB of space has been used up by that album. Back on the main account, we can now delete the original album and free up the space. But make sure you saved or backed up your files to the extra account before deleting. Otherwise, poof, data gone. Once you are sure, delete it. After deleting, check the storage. Yep, 1 GB freed up. It now shows 14 GB used out of 15. Mission accomplished. You can repeat this as much as you like to keep extra space free for important emails, photos and even WhatsApp backup. Oh, and about Google Drive, I have got a whole video showing how you can do the same tricks and dare to kick out that storage full warning and get unlimited storage. Think of it like borrowing closets from your neighbors but keeping a master key. You see all your closets in your own room, but technically they are hanging in your neighbor's wardrobe. Totally free, totally Google approved. See, no need to buy a plan, just be a little smart with how you use those free accounts. Yes, it's a little more setup work in the beginning, but if we can remember 6 different Netflix passwords, we can handle a few Google accounts too, right? Step 2. Partner sharing feature. Here is another method most people don't use, partner sharing. In Google Photos, you can add a partner account. For example, let's say you have a second Google account. You can set it as your partner and then all your photos automatically get copied there too. Hit the notification icon again and click share with partner. Here you can choose which files, some or all, to share with your partner account, which is really just your extra account, unless you feel like sharing with your mom. Now remember, only the photos backed up to your primary account will be visible to your partner account. I am selecting all time and all photos. You can even include content from other Android apps if you like. Hit next. Select your secondary email and click confirm. Now switch to the partner account. You will see the new partner sharing invite. It will also show up in Gmail if you missed it in Photos. Accept the invite and instantly you will get an option to share back. That's totally up to you. I am skipping it for now. At the top, you will see turn on autosave option. This is the magic button. It automatically saves everything your partner shares. You can search, view, download individual photos or entire albums. This is a great way to split storage accounts. These files won't count towards your main account storage. That's right. I can take photos from my secondary account, let them back up there, and they will also appear in my main account, but without eating up my main account space. It is basically like merging two accounts together for free storage. I mean, who doesn't want free storage? The only catch, you can share with just one partner account at a time. You can find this setting anytime under Phone Settings, Sharing, Partner Settings. And yup, all partner photos show up at the bottom in the Collections tab. It is the only kind of partner that doesn't complain when you dump 10,000 selfies on them. This is a great way to split storage across accounts. If your main account is getting full, just set up partner sharing and let the second account hold copies of your photos. So once we are done with the superb hacks, let's fix some settings in Google accounts itself that can instantly save you space. Step 3. Switch to storage saver mode or compress existing uploads. Alright, this method is simple but very effective. Most people knowingly upload in original quality, which eats storage super fast. Sounds fancy, right? If you have to upload new files and photos and want them to be uploaded on storage saver mode to get them little compressed automatically, you have to turn on backup from settings. Then only you will see the option backup quality in the settings option. Here under backup quality, you will see two options, original quality and storage saver. In this Google storage saver mode, photos get slightly compressed, but honestly, unless you are a professional photographer zooming into on every pixel, you won't even notice. Videos also get compressed a bit, but for normal 1080 pixel or even casual 4K playback, where most people can't even notice the difference. And here is where it gets interesting. You can even compress everything you have already uploaded. Just head over to Google Photos on a desktop. Tap the little hamburger menu. Scroll down to Storage. And hit Recover Storage, a hidden option that shrinks all those giant photos and videos. So if you haven't changed the settings yet, do it right now. It won't increase your storage, but it will stretch it much further. Now yes, once you compress, there is no going back to original quality, but in exchange, you could free up gigabytes of space instantly. Step 4. Turn off Auto Backup in Google Photos. If Auto Backup is on, every screenshot, WhatsApp image, meme, or any random photo or video will keep eating your Google Drive quota. Here is the guide. Click on Profile icon, go to Photos Settings. Here in the Backup, if you don't want photos automatically uploading, just turn off Backup. This doesn't delete the files already on your device, it only stops new ones from being uploaded. Yes, you can delete all of your photos and videos that have been uploaded in the Google Photos app, and it won't delete the files stored in your device. You should read all this stuff first and then do the step further. It is a handy reset button if you uploaded by mistake. Step 5. Check WhatsApp or chat app backups. WhatsApp, Telegram and other apps might be syncing photos, videos to Google Drive. These backups are hidden but take space. Go inside WhatsApp, tap 3 dots, Settings, Chat Backup. You can uncheck these options of uploading video and backup option as well. You can manage what you want to include. Now click Manage Google Storage. Once you click on this, it will redirect you to the Google One page. In others, you will see a WhatsApp backup. Mine is huge 7.7 backed up for years. Or if you don't need that old backup at all, just hit Delete Backup here in Drive. That's it. You instantly free up space. Step 6. Smart Cleanup. Okay, this one is less exciting but very powerful. Storage Analyzer tool. Google One has a storage manager that shows where space is being used. Many users don't know it exists. Open Google Photos. Go to Manage Storage. Google actually helps you clean up the useful files. Finally, Google being helpful instead of just reminding us to upgrade. You will see blurry photos. Select them all at once and click Move to Bin. Allow the permission. Screenshots you don't need anymore. Do the same for screenshots if you don't want. And yes, large video files eating up space. Confirm and say goodbye to junk. Just admit it, you don't need unnecessary huge video files, 47 blurry pictures of your lunch, or 20 screenshots of memes you never shared. Empty trash. Just make sure to empty the trash. Deleting files and drives or photos is not enough. You must empty trash for storage to update. By deleting these, you free up tons of space instantly. Think of it like cleaning your hard drive, but Google tells you what junks to remove. Step 7. Use external free cloud storage. Finally, don't forget, you are not limited to Google. Services like Telegram channel content sharing platform offers unlimited space, which never gets expire nor delete after many decades. Playbook gives the free cloud storage for up to 100 GB and up to 4 TB free for qualified designers, creators or artists. Mega gives 20 GB free. iCloud offers a 5 GB free storage tier to all Apple ID users, and even Microsoft OneDrive gives 5 GB. Think of it like having multiple closets, one for clothes, one for junk, and one where you just hide gifts before Christmas. You can back up your older, less important photos to those platforms and keep only your main photos in Google Photos. This way you will never hit the limit. Step 8. Pixel devices for unlimited storage or using its custom ROM trick. Pixel devices for unlimited storage. If you use an older Google Pixel device, Pixel 1 to 5 mainly, Google Photos gives you unlimited high quality photos uploads. Some people even buy cheap second-hand Pixels just to upload photos with unlimited storage. Custom ROM tricks. Even if you don't have Pixel phone, you can easily install custom ROMs by booting your Android phone from the bootloader that mimic Pixel builds. The non-Pixel Android phones can unlock unlimited storage in Google Photos. Average users might find it risky, but it's an extra hack Ollaj mentioned. So let's recap. Step 1. Use extra Google accounts and share albums back to your main one. Step 2. Try the partner sharing feature. Step 3. Switch to storage saver mode or compress your existing uploads without making a major difference. Step 4. Turning off auto backup in Google Photos. Step 5. Check WhatsApp, Telegram chat or other app backups. Step 6. Regularly clean up blurry photos and large videos. Step 7. Offload old photos to other free cloud storage providers. Step 8. Take benefit of unlimited Google storage option on Google Pixel devices or use its custom ROMs by booting your Android phone. By combining these methods, you can easily expand your Google Photos space without spending a single dollar. And best of all, you will stop hearing that annoying storage full notification every time you are trying to take a cute selfie. And honestly, once you set this up, it is just like having unlimited storage. It's free, safe and works in 2025 and will gonna work in 2035. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Technotive Atreus for more simple tech hacks and share this with your friends who are struggling with storage. This is Atreus and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.